Hello everybody, today we make pasta with the chickpeas. It called in Italy pasta e ceci beans. The pasta with chickpeas, I did already one time, only white sauce, but today we do with the tomato sauce. Delicious, really good. And I got already the ingredient what I gotta use. I chop already onion. I got a garlic. I gotta buy hot pepper, oh yeah baby. And I got a plum tomato. The plum tomato, I peel off already. I take the skin out. It's a cut and a half. And I take the seeds out. And after, I chop a quarter. And I got 1 pound mixed pasta. And I got my chickpeas over here. Because this all the time I cook by myself. Okay, now we start with the sauce. I got my pots over here. I put the gas on already. And we start with the olive oil. Olio di oliva. And this is really, really good oil. Okay, now we leave it warm up the oil pretty good. A little bit. And we start with the onion, garlic, and the hot pepper. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, we start with onion. Garlic, and the hot pepper. Okay, now I like a hot pepper. Everybody know I like my oye baby. But see, you know one the hot pepper, no puro. But I like my hot pepper. Each time I cook, I use the pepper. Look how beautiful, look at the smell already. Okay, onion, the garlic, and the pepper, it's all good. Oh, smells so good. I like to eat this with a spoon already. Okay, now, let's put my plum tomato. Okay. Okay, good. Now, I'll leave it cook this plum tomato about 45 minutes. And after that, I want to put my ceci beans inside. Now, the ceci beans, everybody see the difference. So you cook yourself or you buy in a can. This, it's really good. Now, what I did with the ceci beans this morning, I put on this, I wash good. I put on this pot, put a lot of cold water, and I put a drop of oil together. You put on the stove, and you leave it boil. When it starts to boil, leave it boil the 3 to 4 minutes. And after what you do, you turn the gas off, and you cover. And you do what you gotta do. Now, one time you do like this, you can stay 3 to 4 hours with a cover. Now, the ceci beans, when you put on, when they start to boil, you gotta boil for 1 hour. And the ceci beans, it get ready. Okay, now the tomato, it boil good, and we put the ceci beans together. Okay, now when we cook the pasta you gotta stay like 9 to 10 minutes. But I take it out before, when it's 6 to 7 minutes. And I want to cook it together, finish cook the pasta over here together with the ceci beans and the tomato sauce. Okay, like this, I got a basil, okay, give a good taste for this. And I want to chop with my finger, like this. Okay. Look how nice basil I got grow inside the house. Okay. And the basil, it gives a really good taste. Now I want to pour a little salt and a little black pepper. Now we leave it cook for 10 minutes on medium. Okay, now I gotta wait for the cheddar beans to be ready. I gotta cook a little bit more. No, I ain't got nothing to do now. I gotta wait to sit down a little bit. We can get a little salami over here, a little glass of wine, salute chin chin, like this. We can play a little bit of the violino. E compare che sai suonare o violino, e come si suona o violino, zizin zizi o violino, po 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 po, saxophone and drink o mandolin, o friscariella. I open my whistle, it's not too strong, you know, like the time the birds want to sing with me, maybe the birds start to jump. Okay, it's enough. Now, salute e chin chin. Now, let me go check my ceci beans, my cicera. I ceci. Okay, now the water boil, and we use sea salt. That's enough. And the pasta ready. I got my wood spoon. Give a nice turn at the pasta. And this I want to cook only for 7 minutes. Got 2 to 3 minutes, I want to boil it together with the chickpeas and the sauce. Okay, the pasta is ready. Turn the gas off. We put a little bit in the front over here. And let's drain the pasta. Oh, look at the pasta. Look how beautiful it looks, eh? We put right inside the beans, chickpeas. Still you got something inside over here. You think I want to throw away? No way. Look at this. Okay, I'll put this right inside over here. I pay for 1 pound, about 1.5 pounds. You know, got this one need grow, you got an extra one. We give a nice mix. The pasta, everything together. Look at that. I think this I got enough for me. You know, I eat this, nice glass of wine. After everything gets done, I say to my son, my wife, the girlfriend, I say, goodbye. I got this by myself. Maybe I'll leave a couple of jujube. No, I'll leave maybe 4. Okay, now this, I'll leave it cook for a couple of minutes. You gotta boil it together. Okay, give a really, really good taste. Got the pasta, it's not cooked yet. You gotta cook it together with all the sauce. And look how beautiful it look already. Okay, now this is done. And let's put over here. I want to taste. Oh boy, look at it. It's a lot of stuff I gotta eat tonight. All right. Okay, now it's a time to taste. It looks so beautiful. It smells so good. Okay, let me put a little. Okay, good. Now, I use a little fresh parsley, a little pecorino cheese on the top. Look, nice flake like snow. All right. It's really good. And my Oye baby, it's a really good too. Delicious. E with a little wine, salute, e cincine devi bere. Salute. Really good.
Oh yeah, baby.